we will go for add new property, concrete rectangle, concrete, and we are going to go make an auto selection for the column section. So we will give the prefix of C and the section property. So it is going to be C 500 by 500, and the material we are going to select M40, and the section shape is rectangle, and the depth is 500 and 500. Then we will go for modify show rebar. So the design type here will be moment along both x. Uh, so you can see here P, M2, M3. So we will go for moment about both MZ and MY, and then axial force. All these things we are going to consider. And longitudinal bars HYST, confinement bars mild steel, and all these things we are going to keep as it is. The here the cover we are going to keep it as 40. We'll go for OK, and then we will go for OK. Then what we will do, we will go for add copy of property. We have to put in more sections. So here this will be C 550, C 550 by 550. We'll keep it as it is. We will select this 550, 550. Okay. Define section properties, frame sections. Um, okay, okay, nothing is added actually. Okay, we will again go for add new property, concrete rectangle, concrete. The property name we will keep as C 500 by 500. The material we will select as M40. The depth 500, width is going to be equal to 500. Then we will go for modify show rebar, longitudinal bar 415, confinement bars 250. We'll keep all these things as it is. Okay, okay. Then we will go for add copy of property, and we will go for C5. Next section size is C550 by 550. 550 by 550. We will change the depth and the width, and OK. Okay, one more last property we will put, add copy of property, and the name is going to be C 600 by 600, and the depth we will keep as 600, width 600. Other information is going to remain the same. We will go for OK. Now we will make the auto select list of these column sections. So we will go for add new property, and we will go for auto select list under the special category. Auto select list. So here property name we will keep it as column auto select. So concrete, and you can see here all these. Select this, hold down shift, select all the three, add, and go for OK. So we have created two auto select lists, beam auto select list and column auto list. You can delete the rest of the sections if you want. I'm not doing it. but it is perfectly okay. You can keep just the beam auto select and the column auto select, and then go for OK. So now we are done with the defining the section properties. Now the next step is we are going to define the slab. So we will go for define section properties and slab section. So you go to slab 1 and modify show property. So here the slab material, since we are using M40 for the whole building, we will select it as M40. The modeling type, you have all these options. Keep it shell thin. Since it is a deck slab, it's going to act as a shell. And then the thickness we are going to keep 150. Okay, okay. File, save. So we have finished with the defining the materials, the section properties, that is the beam and column auto selection list and the slab section. Now what we have to do is we have to draw all these frame elements. So we will go for all stories here, and we will go for draw, and here draw beam column brace objects. Under that we have quick draw beams and columns. So we will select first quick draw columns, and here on the left side you can see this box. So select the column auto select and drag a box over the whole plan, and then as you can see in the 3D view, the columns are formed. Since we had selected all stories, we don't have to go to each story and make columns. We can just go to one plan and then we can just drag a box and all the columns are selected. So this is the use of quick draw feature. Then again go for draw and quick draw beams column, and in property select beam auto select and again drag a box, and you can see how quickly the beams are formed. So we are done with the making of beams and columns. File, save. Now we have to make the slabs, and again we are going to use the quick draw feature. Draw for floor wall objects, and you can see here draw quick draw floor wall plan. So here already the property slab 1 is selected, so you have to just drag a box, and you can see in the 3D view all the slabs being formed. Now save the file.